Welcome kids to Grasp English class. So we have started our new topic and that is auxiliary verbs. है ना? So let's learn now the next auxiliary verb, which is that how to use had. So we are going to learn here correct use of had. So had all subjects in the past. All subjects in the past. Had means what? That all subjects are in the past. Next is have. We have already studied about have and has, but let's recall the topic. That is have. We use have with I, you, they, we or any plural subject. And with has we use he, she, it or any singular subject. So here we are learning the new topic that is had. So had is used with all subjects in the past. See here with I, you, he, she, it, you, we, they or any singular or plural subject we will use had. Here no matter whether the subject is in singular or in plural. Okay, it does not matters here. We are going to use had with all singular plural in every subject. So I had found. But remember, with had, we use verbs third form. We don't use verbs first form or the second form. With had, we use V3 form. That is verbs third form. Okay. So see here, all the verbs are written in the main verbs. See, found, seen, been, closed, thought, talked, cleaned, bought. These all are written in verbs third form. All these are main verb and these main verb are written in third form as verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. That's right. Find, found, found. Okay. So here it is found. I had found. You had seen. Okay. See, you had seen. See, saw, seen. So seen is a verb's third form. Okay, had been. Okay, had closed, had thought, had talked, had cleaned, had bought. Okay, so we are using here verbs third form. See here, it is a past perfect tense. It is known as past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, we use had. Okay, had and the verb's third form. See here, I had been. Third form of verb is V3, been. He had been. She had been. It had been. You had been. We had been. You had been. They had been. Okay. So for example, it had been a long time. It had been a long time. Again now we are going to learn here the negative sentence. In negative sentence with had we will add not. Okay. And in short form we are going to say it hadn't. Okay. For example, I had not been. He had not been. She had not been. It had not been. We had not been. You had not been. They had not been. Or else with the short we are going to say I hadn't been. He hadn't been. She hadn't been. It hadn't been. We hadn't been. You hadn't been. They hadn't been. Okay. So for example, it had not been a long time. It hadn't been a long time. See here, had not we are writing here as in hadn't. Next is question. When we are asking the question, as I have told you in earlier class while we were studying has and have, in the same way when we are learning about the past perfect tense, that is when we use had as an auxiliary verb, so in the question form when we are in the question format, we use had first. The auxiliary verb will be the first and then the subject and then the verb's third form. And then we are going to use verb third form, main verb's third form. See here, had I been, had he been, had she been, had it been, had we been, had you been, had they been. So see, it had been a long time. It is in a normal way in a positive sentence, but if we are going to convert it in question format, then it will become had it been a long time, and then we are going to put question mark, of course, because here it is a question format. So I hope you have understood that whenever it's in question format, then the auxiliary verb will be written first and then the subject and then main verb and then the object. So see here, in the past perfect tense, had plus past participle, that is verb's third form. When do we use past perfect tense? The past perfect takes place before another past action. ठीक है, past perfect takes place. कब place होता है? Past action के पहले ही. For example, I noticed that he had left his books behind. See here, noticed मतलब past action हुआ ये, that he had left, और ये past perfect, his books behind. See, past perfect tense, I, we, you, he, she, it, they or any name plus had plus third form of verb. And the examples, as I have told you, it does not matter whether the subject is in plural or in singular. With all the type of subjects, whether it is singular or plural, we are going to use had with every form. For example, like singular or plural, we are going to use had. And don't forget, the main verb will be written in third form of the main verb. Okay. For example, see, I, we, you, they, he, it, she, Poojan, है ना? These all are the subjects and these are in singular and plural both, but we are using had with each and every subject. And check the main verb: worked, ate, walked, slept, ran. These all are written in third form of the verb. So, past perfect form, it is had plus past participle. Let's study few examples. You had studied English before you moved to New York. Had you studied English before you moved to New York? You had not studied English before you moved to New York. So see here, positive, question, negative, all types of past perfect here we are studying. Okay, had studied, it is a positive. Had you studied, it is a question. You had not studied, again not is coming here, then it is negative sentence. Okay, so see here again, past perfect tense, subject plus had plus past participle plus rest of the sentence, that is an object. She had finished the test. See here, which she we are using had, okay, and finished, it is a verb third form. And in negative sentence, subject plus had not or hadn't plus past participle plus object. She hadn't finished the test. Okay. Now the question mark, had plus subject plus past participle plus object. So here in question tag, as I have told you, the auxiliary verb comes before the subject, and after the subject we used to write main verb, that is verb third form. Okay. Usage, had she finished the test? Now the usage, to describe an action finished before another past action. Okay, for example, Richard had gone out when his wife arrived in the office. Next one is describe an action that happened before a specific time in the past. Christine had never been to an opera before last night. To describe cause and effect combined with past simple. I got stuck in traffic because there had been an accident. Okay, now next usage, to emphasize the result of an activity in the past. An example is, I had been to London twice my time I got a job in New York. So I hope you have understood this auxiliary verb had, how to use had, when to use with had, which type of verbs form is going to be there. Okay, and if any doubt is there, please do comment. Okay, so as we have studied, again I am just revising the summary of had, that is, when it is a singular or plural, we are going to use had with both type of, okay, whether it is in singular or in plural, we are going to use had with both the subjects. And when we are using had, we are going to use the verb's third form. Okay, we are going to use here verb's third form. So this is the main thing you have to remember while using had as an auxiliary verb. Thank you very much, friends. I hope you have understood, and you haven't understood, so please do comment, and you can watch the video again and again and could recognize what you are missing or what you have not understood. So you can do comment on me, okay, on the video. And if you are having any issues, please do comment, and if you have liked my video, please do like it and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, and subscribe button is given there. Please do subscribe on there. And if you want to study any previous topic, all the links are given in the descriptions. Please go on the descriptions and click on the links whatever the topic you have missed or you want to study again. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.